In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Revit content libraries the right way. Before we touch anything, make sure Revit is completely closed. This prevents file locks and ensures the installer can add or update libraries without any conflicts. Save your work, exit the program, and then we're ready to go. Open your web browser and head to the official Autodesk website. Sticking to the Autodesk site ensures you're getting the correct trusted files. Once there, sign in with your Autodesk account. You'll need to be logged in to access the content downloads tied to your product. If you're part of a team, use the account associated with your license so you see the right entitlements. Next, navigate to the Revit content download area. You'll typically find this under support or downloads, and you can also search for Revit content packs or Revit libraries on the site. This section hosts the family libraries, templates, and regional content packs that ship with Revit, but might not be installed by default. Now choose the exact version of Revit you're using, like 2023 or 2024. Content is version specific, and installing the wrong version may lead to missing families or compatibility issues. If you have multiple versions installed, repeat this process for each one to keep their libraries in sync. Select the language and region that match your needs. Regional packs include standards, templates, and families tailored to local conventions. If you work on international projects, it's perfectly fine to download more than one language or region so you have the right content at hand. Click download and wait for the file to finish. These installers can be several gigabytes, so make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough disk space. Avoid interrupting the download. If you do, restart it rather than using partial files. When the download completes, run the installer to add the content libraries to Revit. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. The default install path is usually best, as Revit already knows where to look for content there. If your firm uses a custom network location, note the path so you can point Revit to it later if needed. Finally, relaunch Revit and confirm the content is available. Open the Load Family dialog, commonly via the Insert tab, and you should see folders like Doors, Windows, Furniture, and Templates for the language and region you installed. If you don't see them, check that you installed the correct version and language, and verify your library paths in Revit's options under File Locations. That's it. With your libraries installed, you're set up to work faster and more consistently on every project.